Hey, Miss Madea. All right, what's wrong with your car now?
Nothing.
For real?
Nothing's wrong with it at all, except the other day I went out there and put my foot on the gas, and the trunk opened. What the hell is that, Harold? You are trifling this here. I'm so tired of bringing my damn car up in here for you to fix. I am not bringing it to you no more. Do you understand? Not ever again. Every time I go out there in the morning, I try to start my car. Do you know what happens? Do you know what happens, Harold? It don't start. I have to pray. You know God don't like me. You know he don't like me. All the hell I done did in my lifetime, you know he don't like me at all, Harold.
All right, let me have
No, sit down. Do what you do best. Sit down. Just stay right where you're. Just plant your ass right there in that chair. Every time I come here, you're sitting in that chair. People waiting on their car, you sitting in that chair. You're supposed to be changing oil, you're sitting in that chair. You're supposed to be changing windshield wiper blade, you're sitting in that chair. Supposed to wash your car, you sitting in that chair. Let me tell you something. When you die, telling people to bury you on your stomach to give your ass a break.